I'm Narvi Cruz from KHF Automotive Group. I work as an executive, sales planning and control in the vehicle sales department. Zoho Inventory is also integrated in Zoho Books, so it helps me to understand the stock level right before confirming the order to the customer.
My name is Eminem. I'm from Higer, and I am a national manager in UAE market, and KHF is our distributor in this market. We do a lot of interactions with this Zoho system. For example, after confirming the order, this Zoho vendor portal system will generate one purchase order to me and automatically. And after that, I can log in to vendor portal system. I can see the price, I can see the specification, and if there is some mistake, I can also use this chat box to communicate the KHF.
KHF Automotive Group is started in 2006, and we are the agent for Higer and various other commercial vehicles in UAE. My name is Ahmed Kabeer. I'm the general manager of KHF Automotive Group, and we started this business in 2006. Since then, we are depending on tailor-made software to support our business needs. Our journey with Zoho is started with CRM. Slowly it spreaded its wings in all directions, and CRM is attached, it's integrated with the books, and books is integrated with inventory, and it gives the overall picture of the business, what is going on, what's happening, what is the growth, what is the downfall, what are our expectations. All these things are in a fingertips, we can know about it. Actually, we have more than 15 to 16,000 line items which we cater to the parts and service related things. SKUs. We created this SKUs on our own and with our own codification. And the good part is, each SKU is defined with the manufacturer part numbers and then international coding system plus barcode. So this helps us to keep our inventory intact and error-free. It helps in stock taking, and it helps in delivering goods, and it helps in many ways with the logistics as well as the shipping areas. Zoho Inventory module, I find one particular aspect is really helpful in my business, which is FIFO tracking. FIFO tracking means there is a report. It gives you what is incoming through input, through bills and your purchase orders, and it shows out of this what is the outgoing through the invoices and delivery challans, so that you can track your inventory, how long it is staying in your inventory. The dead stock tracking is very, very useful, and we can see that turnover time is reduced, and we can keep a track on these things. So once your package is ready, it gives a geometrical dimension of the package and volume as well as the weight of the package. So this helps us to find the correct freight forwarder, and what sort of a pricing we should do, and everything is integrated, and we can select the shippers like UPS, Aramax. There are some freight forwarder is integrated with this thing. We can communicate, and we can get the tracking number, and we can communicate this to the client.
One of the key requirements that KHF Automotive had was the inventory management. So the inventory was utilized in multiple departments, right? And the inventory had to integrate with their CRM, which is the Zoho CRM. It had to integrate with the service, which was built on Creator, and it also had to integrate with the e-commerce portal. So the inventory had to be a single source of truth. So since they want to track the inventory against like multiple warehouses they had, so that was one key challenge they have, and Zoho has a feature of multiple warehouses which address their needs. It also helped them to optimize the inventory, since they had a control of the inventory in both the warehouses. So if at all they need a stock in Dubai, they can always do a warehouse transfer from one inventory to the other inventory. So Zoho Inventory has a feature to integrate with e-commerce. So be it Zoho Commerce or Shopify, there is a native integration which we made use of it to integrate to the e-commerce portal.
Almost now I have more than 10 different modules to support my business. Really, Zoho is really contributing to my growth.